Hi everyone, it's Gillian here from Rustic Journals. I hope you're all having a good day today. So I've got a different kind of video for you guys today. I'm basically going to show you this paint by numbers set that I have here. And what the story behind this is, a company called Houseart got in touch with me and asked me if I would do a little collaboration type thing with them. And basically I had to pick a paint by numbers set that I liked from their website, or I could have like a custom one, and they will send me the stuff and then I kind of show it on my channel and maybe do a bit of the painting on my channel and review it. So this is all the things that you get with it. It comes in this box here, and you even get the frame actually for framing it once you're finished, in the fixtures and fittings. You get a set of paintbrushes, quite a lot in there. How many? Let me just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 paintbrushes in here. And then you get all the paints that you need to do it, and also 3 more paintbrushes that come with that paints there. And then you get the canvas. Now this is big. This is 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters. And as I say, I chose a custom one, so it's basically my daughter and her dog, and I had to email them a photograph and then they turn it into this painting by numbers onto a canvas. This is like this is the copy of it on paper. That might fit on frame a little bit better there. So this here would be the dog's head, and this is his eye here and his ear. I think that's his other ear there. And this here would be my daughter's arm and her sleeve there. That's all I can kind of make out just now. It will be really interesting when I start painting it, and you know, all the bits will become clearer what they are. They actually sent a print-off copy of the what it is. I've popped a thing over my daughter's head because I don't know if she would want her photo being on the, you know, on the internet. But this is her dog Romero. So yeah, that's like that's his head there, and this would be that bit there if you like. So yeah, that's that. And you also get this as well. I'm guessing this, I'm not actually sure what this is, to be honest. Let me open it up. Is it? Oh, it's like a magnifying glass. Oh, cool. That would be quite good for me actually, and until I get my new glasses, yeah, this will probably come in quite helpful. Right, so I'll pop that over here just now. So a bit about the company. The company is Houseart. Their website, which I'll link below the video, is www.houseart.uk. They have free worldwide shipping. They're a painting by numbers company. And as I say, you can choose what you want to do, and they will put your photo or whatever it is onto canvas. Or you can choose from a big variety of things on their website. They do different flowers, different animals. They've got Halloween themed or Easter themed, things like that. But it's all on their website anyway. And they've got different levels. So they've got like beginner ones, medium level and difficult ones. And then, yeah, as I say, the various genres or custom. So that is everything that you get in the box. It's really good, I think, the amount of things that they include. I'm really looking forward to seeing the end result, you know, and having it framed and whatnot, as long as I don't muck up the painting myself. So, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to move everything from underneath here just now so that I can create some room. And then what I shall do is I will do a few of the bits and pieces on video, just so I can see how it feels, you know, the quality of the paints and paintbrushes and whatnot. So this is a nice big area here, 44. So all the pots are obviously numbered as well. All right, let's open up this. Now, put that to the side and that up there. And this would be 44 here. So I'll pop that there, and then I will get a paintbrush. I think I'm going to use one of these green ones. These might be for finer areas, I'm thinking. Right, let's go for this brush here to start with. I love this mint colour. And I've got my water at the side of me and some kitchen roll as well. Right, I wonder if I've got something heavy that I can put down here just to hold that flatter. There we go. Right, let's pop open the pot. Oh, there we go. Right, put you there. Now, let's see. In fact, that's just going to get in my way. I'll just hold it down with my arm. Right, I'll get the bits off of the lid first. Right, let's see. Off we go. Now, I'm no artist, so I used to like doing watercolour painting, but I mean, it was just more like a fun type thing. I wasn't like an expert at it or anything. But I do find painting quite therapeutic. Very good for anxiety and things like that. Well, I think it is anyway. And the paint's going on really smoothly. And the brush is quite nice to use as well. It's the way that it comes up to a point there, it's making it nice and easy to stay within the lines. So that's good. Right, let's go over the number 44 and see. We might need a few coats to cover that number up, I'm guessing. It's covered it up more than I thought it would anyway for the first coat. Right, let's see this little intricate bit down here, if we can manage to do that without going out of the lines. I hope my hand isn't in the way and you're able to see what I'm doing. There we go. Yeah, I like this brush, it's really good. What I might do is try one of the black brushes on a different area to see how good they are as well. I'm really liking this green brush. Let's see how it does in here. Yeah, that's good. Can't remember the last time I did paint actually. It's been a while. Gosh, this 44 goes all the way around. Oh no, it's to here. Okay. And round to there. Okay. I won't do all of that on camera though. I will I'll change to one of those black brushes in a different bit in a second, and then I can finish this part off of camera. I think painting by numbers is one of those things that once you start, you find it hard to put it down and stop. You get lost in it. I guess that's what makes it good for being therapeutic. You just forget about everything else and get lost in the painting. Right, I'll pop that lid back on there just now. And let me see, we'll look for a smaller area. Let's do this number 18 here. Uh, 18. I'm just wondering actually, see if we can get maybe a darker one, a darker colour. Just so it's easier for you guys to see. What's, no, 10 is quite light as well. What about 19? 27. Yeah, 27, that's a darker kind of colour. Let's do that one. Right, oh goodness me, right, up there. And then I need quite a thin brush for that, I think. Oh. All right, let's see. Maybe this one. Oh, it's got a thingy, a plastic covering for the top of it as well. Out you pop. Doesn't want to come out, does it? There we go. So that must just go on there when you're not using it. Right, so that can go there. Just gonna wet it a little bit. There we go. Right. I may need a finer tip to get in that that little tiny bit there, but we'll see how we get on. Open up, come on, there we go. Right. Let's see. I can maybe move this round a bit, like that. And then we're going in here. Yeah, this brush is really nice to use as well. I'm just going to put that paint down there so that I can flatten out the page, the canvas, sorry, not the page. Hope you can see what I'm doing, and my hand isn't blocking the view. And this darker paint covered up the number with the first coat. I think the lighter colours are going to take a few coats to cover the number up, but that's okay. I guess that's to be expected. Yeah. Okay, come down here carefully. Yeah, it's good that they give you such a, you know, a lot of paintbrushes for all the different sizes of, you know, sections, if you like. Right. Oh, oops. Now, there we go. I'll just put that out of the way there. Yeah, well, I'm actually really impressed with this. I'm going to keep going with this off camera for a while, I think. Yeah, I think all the paint and the brushes and everything is really good quality. So as I say, I will link all the details for the company below, and if you want to go on and have a look for yourselves, then feel free. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we will see you again next time. Take care, guys. Bye bye.